we're going to discuss what happened 2 days ago.
I must tell you, so I look at face to me.
So how your face looks happy?
Bubbles, you have man? Yes, 5.
See, you have man a saka, you look pretty.
I said the help is still here.
Come and do the Ipa long talking.
Love for she is going to be the death of you. You're going to prison. You're facing life.
Carlton Wallace, no go jail.
Dear man, I have something to tell you,
A Carlton daughter.
A true she attack.
Yes.
Carlton for go a blood prison.